Shalom. First and foremost, giving all praises, honor, glory, respect, and blessings to Yahweh, Bahasham, Yahweh Shai, Bahasham, Rakah Kwadash. Salutations to the Lord's elect on the four corners of the earth, pushing this truth and patiently waiting for Yahweh Shai's return. And double honors to the apostles of GMS, which have given us this truth through the spirit and power of Yahweh, Bahasham, Yahweh Shai. Esau Edom says, viruses like COVID-19 are a part of nature we must accept. And I'm just here to tell you that the coronavirus is not a part of nature. First of all, the coronavirus is a virus that once it enters your body, it knows exactly where to go. Parts of it is capable of getting through the blood-brain barrier and sticking to your brain. It hangs to parts of your brain and weakens your brain. If it gets to your immune system, it will constantly attack the immune system until the immune system is completely broken down and you have no resistance to the virus. And if you manage to get rid of the virus, guess what? It comes back. And it attacks your immune system until you're dead. So what am I trying to say? The coronavirus is not a part of nature. It is a man-made virus that was genetically modified in a lab.